How to fix Zangi app permission issues. Having trouble with the Zangi feature not working right? Often it's about the permission. Let's get those sorted out. Grab your phone. First thing you need to go is to your setting, or you can just go to the app info. Simply tap on your app and go to app info. Now once you're inside the app info, you will see an option called permission. Simply tap on it. And inside permission, you will see a list of things Zangi want to access, like your camera, microphone, contacts, storage. For Zangi to work fully, especially for the calls and sending files, these usually need to be allowed. Go through each one listed over here. You can see most of them are allowed, and just not allowed are music and audio, nearby devices, and photos and videos. Just allow all of them, and this usually need to be allowed. Go through each one of the list. If you have denied or turn it off, tap on them and select, let's say, music and audio, and allow or while using the app. So here's only an option for the allow. Simply tap on allow. And make sure your camera and microphone are enabled so you can make video and voice calls. Contact help you see who else is on the Zangi. Once you have turned on the necessary permission, just back out of the settings, maybe close the Zangi completely and reopen it. That should take care of some permission related issues. If something still seems off, quickly check if the Zangi has updates in your app store. Hope that helps and everything works smoothly for you. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.